Ever sent a Pandadoc, only to realize the wrong person was designated to sign? Don't worry, changing the signer on your Pandadoc is a breeze, and this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps, ensuring your agreements always go to the right person. First, locate the document you need to modify in your Pandadoc library. You can use the search bar or browse through your existing documents once you found it. Click on the document name to open it. Now that your document is open, look for the section where you can manage signers or recipients. This is usually found on the right-hand side or at the top of the document editor. You'll see a list of everyone who is currently assigned a role on this document. To change a signer, simply hover your mouse over the name of the person you wish to replace. You should see an option to edit or remove that signer. Click on the edit icon or the trash can icon to remove the current signer. After removing the incorrect signer, it's time to add the correct one. Look for an option to add a new recipient or add a signer. Click on this button. A small form will appear. Enter the first name, last name, and email address of the individual who should now be the designated signer. You can also assign them a specific role, like signer, approver, or viewer. Once you've entered the new signer's information, click the Done or Save button to confirm the addition. And that's it. You've successfully changed the signer on your Pandadoc. This ensures your document workflow remains on track. Keeping your document approvals accurate has never been easier. For more helpful tips, be sure to subscribe.